accused in this case, Sanjay Roy, has been taken for a medical checkup by the CBI, which is now for the last 3 days probing this matter, has made several rounds of the hospital, RG Kar hospital, where I am right now as well, has visited the family of the victim and also now once again taking the accused for a medical checkup. These are pictures live on your screen right now as the CBI has intensified the probe. But remember, just one arrest has been made so far after enough and more indication from experts that this indeed was a case of gang rape and not just rape. Aman Bhardwaj also continues to be with us from Chandigarh for more details on that story that we are tracking of the doctors protesting, doctors raising specific concerns. Aman, I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. Aman, be with us. But these are pictures of the accused being taken for a medical test. We'll try and go across to our reporters in Kolkata also for more details on that story. But remember, there are two cases that are now being looked into. One is the horrific gang rape of the 31-year-old trainee doctor at the RG Kar hospital in Kolkata, one of the largest government hospitals. The other case now, which is now being looked into, is of course the vandalism that was seen on the wee hours of 15th of August. One accused in this case has now been arrested and he continues to be the only one who has been arrested so far. The Kolkata police also, the day before yesterday, said that we never really had ruled out gang rape. But to then point fingers at somebody without any investigation is unfair, and that's the reason why one person has been arrested. That is that one person you see on your screens right now being taken for a medical checkup at a hospital in Kolkata by the Central Bureau of Investigation, which is investigating this case. In fact, as far as the politics over this is concerned also, the West Bengal Chief Minister has said by Sunday the investigations should be over. But the fact is that doctors from the very beginning had in fact been saying that, remember, there can't be just one person behind it. There is an attempt for a cover-up. There in fact is more than one person behind it. Various experts had spoken also about the fact that from the vaginal swab of the victim in this case, about 150 milliliters of semen was retrieved, which means that there is more than one person behind this. But right now at this point in time, there is no official word given that details are awaited. One person who had been arrested by the Kolkata police on your screens right now, Sanjay Roy, who's now been taken for a medical checkup by the CBI, who are now looking into this case. This is as per protocol as the CBI continues to make its rounds at the Kolkata hospital where this horrific crime took place a week ago. Initially, remember, it was dismissed as a case of suicide is what has been said by the family. And then later on, it was said to be that a case of rape. Initially, this was the information. Surya Agni Roy is now with us, getting in more details on that big story. As per protocol, Surya Agni, the CBI team taking the accused here for a medical checkup.
Well, absolutely. You know, the CBI is taking Sanjay Roy to a central government hospital to get his medical test done, following which his interrogation will start. It's a procedure of the CBI that it's accused, the people in their custody, their medical tests after a day or 2 days is done. So this is something that is being done with Sanjay Roy to see what his medical conditions are. If his medical conditions are seen to be normalized, then he will be kept with the CBI in their custody, and then interrogation that has been happening, Sneha, will continue. Back to you.